Welcome class. Today we're doing a different type of project and we're going to make videos for science. And we're going to learn about 3 different types of clouds and do cloud tracking. And with this assignment, I'm going to briefly explain the 3 different types of clouds you're going to be tracking. And in your videos, you need to have 3 different elements. You need to know the 3 different types that I'll be showing you. You need to know how they are associated with weather and provide research as well as your video of the different clouds you've tracked. And if you can't track a certain type of these clouds, provide at least pictures or be able to explain it. So I will start by explaining to you what these 3 types of clouds are. And first, we will start with our most recognizable ones that we see probably most often. And they are called cumulus. They are, as you can see, fluffy, and they have flat bases. And with these clouds, they're the most common, and they're associated with good weather, with fair weather. They can contain heavy rainfall, short or heavy rainfall, but for the most part, they mean fair weather and good weather. Moving on, we have our second type of clouds, and they are called stratus clouds. And with these clouds, they are flat, as you can see, and kind of widespread. They normally are layered in sheets and are associated with overcast weather, like producing fog or mist, and they are below 6,000 feet and really low to the ground. Really low to the ground and normally overcast weather. So just remember those are important. Our third type of cloud is called cirrus. And with these types of clouds, they are feather-like and wispy. And you find these clouds most of the time higher up in altitude. They'll be your highest clouds, and they'll be above 20,000 feet. And because they're so high in elevation, it's usually associated with bad weather, an approach of bad weather. Because with being that high in altitude, you have what they say cold weather, and the temperatures up there are so like super cooled water drops. It forms crystal-like structures, and that's why it tapers off and it's wispy or feather-like. So, of the 3, remember cumulus is associated with fair weather and kind of good weather, and stratus is overcast weather with rainfall, precipitation. It's normally more associated with drizzle-like precipitation, and if it brings on more heavy rainfall, its name gets changed to nimbostratus. With each of these clouds, their names will change according to the circumstances that they have with their weather, with the weather going on. And then remember, cirrus clouds are feather-like and are associated with bad weather approaching, like snow or hail or bad weather. So now that you know the 3 types of clouds that you need, and kind of just the brief explanation, just a little bit, now you guys need to go and look for your research, record, you gotta have fun observing the sky, and all the different things that are up in the sky, basically clouds. And we now want you to also get together in groups, and I will help you with groups, and observe, have fun with this project. This is meant to be fun and help you remember the different things associated with science and clouds. And I will see you Friday working on these projects and helping you. Good luck, have fun with the observation.